Welcome back to Best Life. Today, we're cutting through the noise and revealing the real path to wealth. The secret? It's all about knowing the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket or grow in value. Think of them as money trees. Liabilities drain your wallet, like that flashy car or the latest phone. Most people buy liabilities and wonder why they're broke. The wealthy, they focus on assets. In this video, I'll break down the only 7 assets you need to build real wealth. No jargon, just clear steps you can start today. We'll cover everything from stocks to digital assets, even if you're starting small. Grab a pen. This is the guide I wish I had when I started. Let's start with one of the most accessible and proven ways to build wealth over time: investing in stocks and index funds. These are tools that anyone can use, no matter your background or experience. A stock is simply a piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you're actually buying a small ownership stake in that business. For example, if you own a share of Apple, you literally own a slice of Apple itself. You become a part owner, sharing in its successes and growth. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your investment. Your wealth increases alongside the company's progress. But here's the thing, trying to pick the next big winner is tough, even for the experts. Instead, you can buy the whole market at once with index funds or ETFs, which are baskets of many different stocks. An S&P 500 index fund, for example, gives you a piece of 500 of America's top companies in a single investment. It's like owning a tiny bit of each giant. This spreads your risk across many companies, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Plus, index funds keep fees low, so more of your money stays invested and working for you. The truth is, most professional investors can't consistently beat the market. So instead of trying to outsmart everyone, just match the market and let the magic of compounding returns do the heavy lifting for you. Some stocks pay dividends, extra cash just for holding them. But the real power comes from long-term growth and reinvesting those dividends. The key is to invest automatically every month, no matter what the headlines say or how the market feels. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it takes the guesswork out of investing. Over time, your money grows on autopilot, compounding year after year. You don't have to watch the market every day. Just let your investments do their thing. This is how regular people, teachers, nurses, anyone, retire as millionaires, not by chasing hot stock tips, but by steady, disciplined investing over decades. It's not flashy or exciting, but it's reliable. Slow and steady really does win the race when it comes to building wealth. Set up your investments, forget about them, and let time and consistency do the heavy lifting for you. The earlier you start, the more powerful your results. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into something huge. Even $50 a month, invested consistently, can add up to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars over decades, thanks to compounding. Stocks and index funds are the foundation of any solid wealth-building plan. They're simple, effective, and accessible to almost everyone. Don't overthink it or wait for the perfect moment. Just get started and let your money work for you. Remember, boring is beautiful when it comes to building wealth. Consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Next up, real estate. But here's the catch. You have to do it wisely, with a clear plan and a long-term mindset. Buying a home you can't afford is a liability that can weigh you down for years. But investment real estate, that's a true wealth engine if you play your cards right. The classic move is to buy a rental property, something that generates income month after month. Your tenant's rent covers your mortgage and most of your expenses, and you pocket the leftover cash flow. That's money coming in while you sleep. Meanwhile, your tenant is steadily paying down your loan, building your equity with every payment they make. Over time, property values usually rise, so you get appreciation too. That means your investment grows in value, often outpacing inflation. Plus, there are tax perks. You can deduct expenses like repairs, mortgage interest, and even use depreciation to lower your tax bill, putting more money back in your pocket. Don't want to buy a whole house? Try house hacking. Live in one unit, rent out the rest, or invest in REITs for hands-off exposure to real estate markets, letting you diversify without the hassle of being a landlord. The key is to buy for cash flow, not just for bragging rights or speculation. Focus on properties that pay you every month, not just ones that look good on paper. Run the numbers carefully, stay unemotional, and treat real estate like a business. Analyze every deal as if your financial future depends on it, because it does. Don't stretch yourself thin in a hot market. Overpaying or taking on too much risk can backfire, so be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Real estate can be a pillar of your wealth if you're smart, patient, and willing to learn from your mistakes along the way. Focus on steady income and long-term growth. The real magic happens over years, not months. Let your assets work for you, generating passive income so you can spend your time on what matters most. Start small if you need to. Just get in the game. Even a single property can make a big difference over time. Real estate isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone willing to learn, take action, and stick with it through ups and downs. Make your property work for you, not the other way around. With the right approach, real estate can help you build lasting wealth and financial freedom. Want the fastest path to big wealth? It's not a secret reserved for the lucky few or those born into money. The answer is simple: own a business. Even a small one can change your life. Every billionaire started with a business, but you don't need to build the next Google or Amazon to see real results. Start simple. A service business, freelancing, or an online store can be your launchpad. You don't need a fancy office or a huge team. The internet makes it easier than ever before. Sell products, offer your skills, or create content from anywhere in the world. YouTube channels, blogs, and digital products are all within reach. Podcasts, online courses, and newsletters can all become cash-flowing businesses. The magic? You're not just trading time for money, you're building systems that can earn while you sleep, creating true leverage. Yes, most businesses fail, so start small and keep your day job at first. Test your idea, find paying customers, and learn from every step. Only scale up when you know it works and you're ready to grow. You control your business's destiny, marketing, branding, and the direction you want to take. Products, customer service, and every decision is in your hands. Unlike stocks or real estate, you call the shots and shape your own future. Start as a side hustle, learn as you go, and reinvest your profits to grow even faster. A business is the ultimate asset for those willing to work, adapt, and keep learning. The risk is real, but so is the upside. Build something of value, serve your customers well, and you can change your financial future forever. Don't wait for permission. Start building today. Your journey to wealth and independence begins with a single step. The most overlooked asset, your skills. Investing in yourself pays the highest returns. No one can take your skills away. High-income skills like sales, coding, digital marketing, or design are always in demand. The more you earn, the more you can invest. Your skills fuel your wealth engine. You don't need a degree. Learn online, read books, practice daily. Just 30 minutes a day can transform your earning power in a year. Skills make you resilient. Lose a job and you can pivot or freelance. Leadership and communication skills boost your value even more. The best investment is in yourself. Skills pay dividends for life. Make learning a habit, and your wealth will follow. Next, let's talk about intellectual property. Work once, get paid forever. Write a book, create a course, compose music, or build an app. These are all IP. You put in the effort up front, then earn royalties or sales for years. In the digital age, anyone can create IP. Online courses, stock photos, software, digital templates. The key: decouple your time from your income. Build something once and let it earn while you sleep. It takes work up front, but the payoff can be huge. IP can also be sold. Blogs, YouTube channels, and apps are valuable assets. You're not just earning income, you're building something you can sell. Focus on creating value that lasts. Passive income is the holy grail, and IP is one of the best ways to get it. Don't just consume, create. Your ideas can become your greatest asset. Now let's balance things out with bonds and fixed income assets. Bonds are loans you make to governments or companies. They pay you steady interest and return your money at maturity. They're not exciting, but they're safe and predictable. Bonds act as a cushion when stocks get rocky, smoothing out your portfolio. As you get older, bonds become more important for protecting your wealth. The returns are lower, but so is the risk. The easiest way to invest? Bond funds or ETFs for instant diversification. Bonds won't make you rich, but they'll help keep you rich. Use them to manage risk and provide steady income. Don't ignore safety. Wealth is about keeping what you earn too. Mix bonds with growth assets for a balanced plan. Sometimes, boring is exactly what you need. Finally, let's talk digital asset portfolios. Modern wealth for the digital age. Build or buy websites, blogs, email lists, or social media pages that generate income. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or your own products. A strong email list is gold. You own the audience and can market directly. Even domain names can be valuable digital real estate. These assets can appreciate and be sold for big payouts. Diversify your digital properties. If one falters, others can pick up the slack. It takes time and skill, but digital assets can become powerful income engines. In today's world, online properties are as real as physical ones. Start building your digital portfolio now. There you have it, the 7 assets that actually build wealth. Forget the flashy car, the latest phone, or risky get-rich-quick schemes. Those are liabilities. The rule is simple. Buy assets consistently, even if it's just $50 a month. Wealth comes from steady cash flow, growth, and time. Not every asset is right for everyone. Pick what fits you, learn it, and diversify. Start small, keep learning, and expand as you go. Your financial education is your foundation. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and keep building your best life.